Bueno, estoy aquí en la corte de Hazleton. Vine a responder un jaywalking ticket that I got from Officer Leonard back on sometime about 2-3 months ago, I believe. And I'm here because he failed to send me the ticket to my home address. And supposedly they said that they send me letters which they received back, but they didn't have the courtesy to send an officer, I guess, to my house to deliver the or to serve me with the letter that they sent me about this ticket that I received. Let me see, when did I receive that ticket? I'm not sure, but I know it was a while back. I don't know. I don't have it. I don't have it with me, but it is what it is. Now I have to go to Zola's to answer for this ticket that I was recording, guys. I was recording this accident on Locust and I believe it was 3rd Street. And there was a bunch of people walking around and involved in the lookers, I guess. And as soon as I showed up, they proceed to give me orders to back up. And of course, I have argued with the officer of Patrolman Leonard, badge number 194. And this guy, ever since I started recording, this guy have a problem with me recording them or him. So he tried to get me. Is she smoking? No. Yeah, she's smoking a vape. So he arrested me on my parking. He arrested me on my parking for pulling out my phone. It's the first video that I have from recording the police that I have recorded. So as I pull out my phone, he proceeded to ask me to put down my phone, which I argued that I had the right to record. So they put me in the patrol car and gave me about 20 minutes inside the patrol car, violating my rights, searching my vehicles, my tractor trailers, violating my daughter's rights. They snatched her phone out of her hands, and mine's too. Which they recorded a second video. When they threw the phone on the patrol car, they started recording another video, which lasted like about 13 minutes. So this officer, every chance that he gets is to give me a ticket, to give me false commands. He's the officer that was across the street from the PNC Bank. One of my videos that went viral. He came across the street when I was recording, across the street from where they were pulling this guy out. No one bothered me other than him. As soon as he showed up, he started demanding ID. He started quoting loads and stuff. And that's when I found out that that was him who came to my place of employment and violated my rights. So this time, there was an accident on Locust Street, and Locust and 2nd or 1st. Yeah, something around there. And soon as I show up, he started to tell me to go away, and he didn't like me being there, so he decided to give me a jaywalking ticket for crossing the street. When there's an accident, everybody's walking around doing the same I was doing, so I was the only one who got in trouble. When there is no mark, cross side crossing marking, so he decided to give me a ticket. I was the only one who got a ticket. I was the only one who got in trouble. He just gave me a ticket, and I guess he sent it to the wrong address, which I never received. So luckily, I went to pay another ticket that they retaliated against, and uh, the clerk told me to come to this office, Apostolo's office, noticing there was something coming up or showing up on his system. He was kind enough to tell me that, to come here. Otherwise, I would have a warrant for my arrest. And like he told me on the video, that he needed my address because he was gonna send me a ticket, and he was trying to try not to give me a warrant. So he did. They tried, but luckily the clerk at the Hazel Township office was kind enough to tell me to come to this office here, and that's why I'm here today, trying to respond to these charges. When if you guys see the video is called. Let me see what it's called. That video, and you guys can see clearly there is people walking around that area, and I was the only one who got in trouble for recording, and it was simply for recording because there was nothing going on. I didn't do anything to provoke the ticket. There was people crossing the same street that I was crossing, and no one got in trouble. I was the only one. So that's why I want you guys to see the video and like see what's going on with Hazleton police or with the judicial system. I mean, and I'm not only talking about Hazleton police. I'm talking about every police. Every chance they get is to get money out of you, to take your freedom away, to mess with your life. Because right now I'm supposed to be doing something, and I'm here. Answering to these charges, which I don't believe they're gonna stick, because I mean there was no traffic director, there was no safety director or whatever they call it, and um I have done nothing to deserve this ticket. So, guys, if you guys go to my channel, you guys can see the video. I'm trying to find it here. I don't remember which one was it, but it's in my channel. Let me see. I got it. I almost got it. Okay, this is the video that I'm talking about, guys. Sorry, focus is not. Hazleton police retaliating for recording. That's the video. Officer Leonard, Patrolman Leonard, 194. That's what this video is about. This guy retaliating. And I'm not understanding that, I have the right to record, that I'm going to be recording.
I don't answer questions.
Well, I need to know where to send your citation to.
I don't answer questions.
Well, then you're going to wind up with a warrant.
I don't want to question. I don't answer questions.
Okay.
If you're going to violate my rights, you're going to do it on your own.
So you guys, I invite you to guys to visit this channel,
Yeah, you need my
to
help.
visit this channel and watch this
By
video.
me giving you my address, I'll be helping you, right?
What's your on-file address? 615.
We didn't find out. You do your
On
job.
file
You're
address,
doing your
he
job.
claims,
That's correct.
which I have changed my address with the post office, and every letter, even from the courts, I don't understand. These letters these letters from the courts sent to my to the right address. Okay, this letter was sent to my address. Why the ticket, the citation, wasn't sent to my home address? So this is what they're trying to do. They're trying to get me to mess up, or to get me to get a warrant so they can arrest me again. I already have a charges pending for the same thing, for recording a video in public. They gave me 6 felonies, and they they're trying to get me arrested. They tried to put me in jail for recording videos, for doing what I do all the time: record cops, report their behavior, misconduct. And like I say, I don't have to complain. I don't have to for every uh violation that they gave me. I don't need to complain. I just need to post a video. You guys be the judge. If you guys complain, if you guys go and complain, chances are they're not gonna do anything. Chances are they're gonna just leave it like that, throw it away. Or an officer investigating officers. That's what I call when you guys put a complaint. When I put a complaint, every time I go to ask for a complaint form, they deny the form. They say that I need to go online, that I need to do this and that. They just hand me the complaint form, even though I'm not gonna write a complaint, because this is what I'm doing. This is the way I'm complaining, letting you guys know what these officers are doing wrong. So if you guys put a complaint, another officer is gonna read it, and they're gonna call the other partner, and they're gonna tell her, you behave, or we're gonna do something. They're never gonna do anything. Uh, uh, we need to end this immunity that they have. They need to take action. Other officers need to take action on. I know they're watching these videos. I know all the officers watching these videos, and they're not doing nothing about it. They know the other officers are violating people's rights. What are they doing about it? They're not doing anything about it. Other officers not doing it. They just closing their eyes. They laugh about it, because they do laugh about it when they see other officers violating people's rights. I know they laugh about it. They tell me, they watch my videos, they joke about it, but they don't take action. They just do the same. Officers do what officers do. So guys, I'm here. My court date, my hearing is at 12:30, so I'm here waiting, just making sure that I appear, and that I present my case, I guess. Stay tuned, and post you guys whenever I'm done. I'm in Hazleton, Pennsylvania courthouse.